Today's party theme is for a lumberjack baby shower. I'll start with the invitation. I found this design online and added the party information. These were the centerpieces. I used large mason jars, shredded paper, twine, acorns, and candles. I added the paper and topped with a candle. I wrapped ribbon around the jar and added raffia and an acorn. I made this confetti by punching out circles from plaid scrapbook paper. I cut the name out from gold glitter paper. This was the sign for the drink station. The banner was made by cutting out flags in brown and plaid craft paper. I punched a small hole and added some string. This sign was placed on the wall in the party room. I made these circles in Photoshop and used them as envelope seals. This sign was attached to bags of marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers. I made these toppers using plaid paper and a label. I added caramel popcorn to a clear bag and added the topper. I also used the circles from before on the water bottle labels. I added a plaid strip and topped it with a circle and added them to the water with tape. This is a shot of the beginning of the food table. We kept things simple with a black tablecloth and red and black napkins with red plates. These were the food tents. I printed labels and added them to plaid paper. Here is a look at the treat table. I made the signs and filled clear jars and dishes with candies, pretzels, and cookies. I made this table runner using plaid material. I just trimmed it down and hemmed the sides. These stands were for the gift table, treat table, and for the guests to sign the memory book. I made this mommy and daddy to be corsage using a small wooden plaque, ribbon, and plaid paper. I added a pin to the back and this craft was complete. These are a few of the party games. We had the traditional Don't Say Baby and added plaid paper to the clothespins. The diapers were various melted chocolate candies and the guests had to smell the diaper to guess the candy. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.